From time to time, people will call my office and they will ask if we can draft a simple will. I'm Patrick Cawley. I'm with Keystone Elder Law in Mechanicsburg, Pennsylvania. And I have to tell you, after meeting with many clients to make legal plans for the future, I'm not entirely sure what they have in mind when they say simple will. Really, it comes down to asking questions about the family dynamics. Who's in the family? Does anybody have special needs or disabilities? What are the ages of the people? What health are they in? It means asking questions about finances. Where is your money? Is it in IRA retirement accounts or is it in a bank account? So on and so forth. Making a plan for the future means asking a lot of good questions and figuring out what path forward will work for those circumstances. So in answer to the question, do I prepare simple wills? My response is, how simple is your life? How simple are your family dynamics and your finances? So sometimes the plan will end up being relatively simple. Sometimes it will be more complex. For younger couples who come in to see me or younger individuals, I ask questions about their children if they have any, and how old are the children, and maybe there should be something built into the will, a trust that is built into the will. In case any money or property were to go to a minor child, you want that to go into a trust. Without a trust, so I guess a simple will that just says, here's the money to an 8-year-old child, the money will go into a kind of bank account called an UTMA account, UTMA, and all of the money that's in that account, all the property and so forth, will become that child's property once the child reaches the age of 18. I don't think that that's what everybody thinks would be a good idea, but a trust allows you to adjust the age and add other conditions that may be appropriate before the child receives that money or property. For older couples, the likelihood of going into skilled nursing care at some point in one of the spouse's lifetime is quite high. If you go into long-term skilled nursing care, chances are you're going to need Medicaid to pay thousands of dollars a month at some point because most people don't have that kind of cash. So you want to build in other trusts inside the will that would protect the Medicaid benefits and the spousal assets if the spouse who's not on Medicaid, who's at home, suddenly dies, leaving money to the person who's on Medicaid. You don't want an outright transfer because there go the Medicaid benefits for having too much money, and then all of the couple's money will be spent on long-term care. There will be nothing left for children. So there you want to build in trust to protect the money that the couple has and to protect the Medicaid benefits so that that continues to pay for the spouse's care. So these are just some examples of why wills aren't always simple because life is not always simple. If you have questions, please ask it in the comment section or send me an email at info@keystoneelderlaw.com. And if you're thinking about making legal plans and you want to know how complicated is this going to be, look, we'll sit down, we'll ask a lot of questions, we'll figure out your circumstances and your goals, and we'll find a plan. We're not producing a document, we're producing a plan that will work for your circumstances.